now her body hunting, releasing really different, meaning that we're going deep into the real root of what was causing that tightness, that tension in her body. Sometimes that journey is not linear, and sometimes we need to go into that cascade, but still keep going up. Now, notice the space here. I want to open that right SI joint, taking in, letting her body melt with me. Let the head fall down to the floor. Nice. We want to clear the pattern in the body so the body has a chance to create a new pattern.